Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a conversation on Snapchat for only you. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device and head to the Chat tab, where all your conversations are stored. From there, locate the specific conversation that you want to delete. Once you've found the conversation, tap on the three-dot menu button situated in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu of additional options related to the chat. Select Manage Chats from the menu to access the chat management features. This will enable you to take specific actions on individual conversations within your chat list. Identify the conversation you wish to clear and tap the X button next to it. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you want to proceed with deleting the conversation. To finalize the deletion, confirm your action by selecting Clear in the prompt that appears on the screen. This step will remove the conversation from your chat list while preserving the messages on the recipient's device. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your conversations on Snapchat, maintaining your chat history on your end while respecting the privacy of the other party's messages. Keep your chats organized and clutter-free with this simple and convenient process.